So on this how-to video at Yorkshire Caravans, we get a lot of people asking about how to change a corner angle or a centre angle. Centre angle's exactly the same principle as a corner angle. Now the most common problem is that people break the spike off the top. Sometimes the plastic gets damaged and then the spike needs replacing. And people say to us, how does this come off? Is it glued? No, it's not glued. Sometimes you can just twist it off. I can't on this point. So sometimes pop it on the floor, pop it between your feet and twist and pull, and it comes straight off. Sometimes, let me pop that back on, you might need to get another pole, lean it on something, twist and pull it out as well. Now, there you go, that's that angle. Now when you need a new angle, they sell left and right hand angles and centre angles as well. Now I've got a left corner here, a brand new one. So if I open this up, you can see there, new spike, fittings are all okay. What we do, slide it in and just apply a bit of pressure whilst twisting, and then that's sorted. A brand new angle all ready to go on your Isabella awning.